Hello guys, today I am going to do the unboxing of this budget friendly motherboard which supports high-end processors like i7, i5 and i3. Let me just open it. I have received this just today and this is how the box looks. This is Zebronics H61 motherboard. It has LGA 1155 socket. Let us just see its features. It supports DDR3 1066 or 1333 or 1600 megahertz RAM. It means that your RAM must be DDR3 not DDR4, and it supports up to 1600 megahertz of RAM. If we look from behind, you can see a picture of Ritik, and here are the features. I hope you can see them. It is written that it supports Intel Pentium and i7, i5 and i3 processors, but I should tell you that it supports only up to third generation, that is only second and third generation of Intel core processors. If you buy i5 processor, you must buy Intel Core i5 third generation or second generation only. Similarly, if you buy Intel Core i3, you must buy second generation or third generation only. Next is, there are two RAM slots in this motherboard which supports up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and it supports up to 1600 megahertz of memory of RAM. It has one HDMI port, one VGA port, 6 USB ports and 3 audio ports. You get a 24 pin ATX power connector for your power supply, and it is a micro ATX. Let us open it. You get a CD which you must put in your CD drive. If you do not have a CD driver on your PC, you can always download the software drivers from their official website. This is usual manual, and this is maybe address of the, I don't know, let me see. This is SATA cable which you use to connect your hard disk with the motherboard. Only one is provided, and this goes into your cabinet so that all its ports, all its USB get comfortable in your cabinet. Let us open it. We are opening the motherboard now. Be careful while opening it. Be very careful. So this is how it looks. Very nice. It looks really nice. This is CMOS battery. This is where you put your processor. Do not touch things unnecessarily. This is where your PSU's 24 pin cord goes into, and this is the space, and this is provided for the graphics card if you want to insert any. There are two RAM slots. You can see. Let me just zoom in so that you could see more. And This is for your CPU fan, and you can see this. There are 6 USBs you are provided with, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and one. This is HDMI port, this is VGA port, 3 audio ports. These are the ports for SATA cable, for where you can insert your hard disk, and also your disk drive. It supports both. I will just put a video on assembling it on your PC later on. This is just a review on this motherboard. I will use the Intel Core i5 processor on this and show you how to put it on this. And that's it. Yes, there goes. These are the ports which you must connect with your cabinet. Okay, and yes, these are the holes. 1 1 2 3 4. Above this goes your CPU fan. Very small motherboard, lightweight, and very budget friendly. You can also put this on your gaming cabinet if you want to purchase any. So that's it. All right, if you like the video, please like it. If you have any doubts, you can comment. I will reply immediately. And also share with your friends. If they want to build a budget PC, this is the perfect motherboard to build a budget gaming PC. Okay guys, thank you.